Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use which of, both, and both of in English sentences. Let's explore together. Let's start with using which and which of. We use which and which of to ask about a specific person or object from a group. We use which directly before a noun, like in the question, which dog is bigger? On the other hand, we use which of before a determiner plus a noun, like in the question, which of the dogs is bigger? So when do we use which of? Use which of when there is another word before the noun, such as the, your, these, or those. For example, you can ask, which of the cakes is sweeter? Which of your books is longer? Or which of these colors is brighter? If there is no determiner, simply use which directly before the noun, such as, which cake is sweeter? Which book is longer? Or which color is brighter? Both sentence styles mean the exact same thing. Here is example 1. To ask about a basketball and a volleyball, the question is, which of the two balls is bigger? Or simply, which ball is bigger? The answer is, the basketball is bigger. We can use either which or which of the two because both are completely correct. Let's look at example 2. To ask about animals, the question is, which animal is taller? Or, which of these animals is taller? The answer is, the giraffe is taller. Remember, in the phrase which of these animals, we add the word of, because the determiner these comes right before the noun. Now let's talk about using both and both of. We use both and both of to talk about two people or objects together when they both do or have the same thing. Use both directly before a noun, like in, both cats are fluffy. Use both of before words like the, these, them, or us, like in, both of them are fluffy. Let's check out using both of with pronouns. Always use both of when it is followed by a personal pronoun, such as them, us, or you. Use both of them when referring to two people or things mentioned before, such as, both of them are happy. Use both of us when referring to yourself and one other person, such as, both of us love reading. Use both of you when talking to two people at the same time, such as, both of you are correct. Here is example 3. The question asks, which singer is better? The answer is, both singers are good, which means the same as, both of them are good. When both things are equal, we use both or both of them to show they are the same. Let's look at example 4. The question asks, which of these subjects is more interesting, art or science? The answer is, both of them are interesting, which means the same as, both subjects are interesting. Notice that both of them using a pronoun means the exact same thing as both subjects using a noun. Should we use a singular or plural verb? Be very careful. When using which and which of, always use a singular verb. For example, ask, which toy is cuter? Or, which of these toys is cuter? When using both and both of, always use a plural verb. For example, say, both toys are cute. Or, both of them are cute. As a quick tip, remember that which uses the singular verb is, while both uses the plural verb are. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Look at each question carefully and think about whether to use which of, both, or both of. You can do it. Question 1 compares a strawberry cupcake and a chocolate cupcake. Using which of, the question is, which of the cupcakes is sweeter? The answer is, the strawberry cupcake is sweeter. Question 2 compares painting and playing football. Using which, the question is, which activity is more fun? The answer is, both of the activities are fun, or both activities are fun. Question 3 compares a red backpack and a rainbow backpack. Using which, the question is, which backpack is more colorful? The answer is, the rainbow backpack is more colorful. Question 4 compares watermelon and grapes. Using which, the question is, which fruit is tastier? The answer is, the watermelon is tastier. Question 5 compares a robot toy and a game console, which both cost $300. Using which of, the question is, which of these toys is more expensive? The answer is, both toys are expensive, or both of them are expensive. Well done. You have learned how to use which of, both, and both of correctly. To review, use which or which of to ask about one specific person or thing from a group along with a singular verb, and use both or both of to talk about two people or things together along with a plural verb. Great work today.